everyone, welcome back to my DIY series. Today's topic is on how to organize your closet. So have you ever went to find one of your favorite shirts or dresses and could not find them? Well, today I am going to go over a couple of new top tricks on how to get more organized and know where all your items are. The items we'll be going over today is only going to cost you less than $10. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a hook. Now you can get a metal hook, but you want to make sure it's going to be able to go over your closet rod. Now I paid like $4 at Lowe's for this, and then you hook it into a chain. Now the chain I only did 2 feet of. It's $1.99 a foot, so I probably wouldn't go any more than 2 feet. So you're going to hook it like this, and then hook it over your rod in your closet. So then once you got it hooked on your rod in the closet, you're going to take each shirt and weave it through the hook. And there you go. So you can put in at least 10. Now you want to make sure the hook here is going to fit with the hanger. So it's got to be able to fit through the hole. So that's the first one. You can put at least 10 shirts on this, and then you'll be able to find everything that you're looking for. So let's move on to the second thing. You're only going to need 2 items. The hook, shower hooks. Now you can get the plastic ones, they're a lot cheaper, or you can just use the metal ones, and a hanger. So then you're going to take the hook like this and hang several hooks across. Now with me, I would take my hats and hang them up like this all the way across. And you could probably put at least 10 hats on that. And then you know exactly where all your hats are. Or you could also do it with purses. Or you can use scarves. So that right there would only cost you maybe a couple dollars to buy these. And then there you go. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my DIY series on saving space in your closet. I hope to see you on our next DIY series, and have a great day.